Hi everyone, we're at 1271 Ontario Street. This spacious 5-bedroom home is situated on a large lot, just a short drive to the Mill Golf Course, the YMCA, and the Cobourg waterfront. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the large and bright living and dining rooms. It's open to the eat-in kitchen. The family room has a gas fireplace and a walkout to the covered patio. The main level also has a 2-piece bath. The primary bedroom has double closets and a 3-piece bath. The upper level has 3 additional good-sized bedrooms and a 4-piece bath. The lower level has a rec room, a bedroom, laundry room, and a workshop. The private backyard with great views also has a deck and 2 sheds.